Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and low miles. Features also include iPod adapter, halogen headlamps, steering wheel controls, windshield wiper heater, power sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2013 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.